good people? It's Goldie here with Four Brown Queens, and I'm happy to announce we are having our annual summer sale for Juneteenth. We're celebrating Juneteenth by offering these patented D.A.P tools for $25. Normally they cost $36.99 per tool, but we're putting them on sale from June 19th through the 28th for $25. Don't forget, this is multiple tools in one. You have your parting and repair on the utility tip, and then you have the interlocking side with the hook tip. Multiple tools in one tool, literally just the flick of the wrist. No snagging with this tip, clean, crisp parts. So if you've been watching our tool and you've been thinking about trying it, now is the time. Get it today while it's on sale. June 19th through June 28th, $25. Let's go.